Well, it's October already and Halloween is almost here, so I thought I would make an inlay cutting board with the Halloween theme. When I think of Halloween, I think of things like trick-or-treating the neighbors, the Halloween festival at school, and the original movie that came out in 1978. I've been playing around with AI some, so I asked Google Gemini to create a vector line drawing of Michael Myers from the movie Halloween holding a knife. It gave me a pretty cool looking PNG file, and I brought it into my VCarve Pro to do a bitmap trace. It needed a lot of work editing the vectors to make it suitable for an inlay, but it gave me something to work with. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please hit the thumbs up button. It doesn't cost anything, but it sure helps out my channel.